Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're actually doing like a salad testing and going to different salad bars. So if you want to see what look I create to go eat salad, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let us jump. I am doing a fast 21 day Daniel fast. I've done this fast before, but this time around I'm like, oh girl, it's killing me. It is killing me.
Hello, what can I get you? I'll have 62 hot dogs. Say what? Whoa, that's a lot of hot dogs.
But let us jump. So I'm gonna use this palette again. This is from Mario. It is the Masters Matte palette. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here. And we're just gonna tap it right here. Oh, and this is 204 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, a white 204, and I'm just putting it like right here, and then I'm just, you know, buffing the edges. The fast itself is not terrible. This is not the first time I've done it, but I think doing it in winter time, it's terrible. Cause nope. I just dip my brush in the black. We're not doing black. We're doing, it's a dark brown. It's just, and I'm also still doing my 5 miles, so I think that just makes me tired. Like I feel a little bit more tired. But no, I just have 1 more week left, so I can make it happen. You know what though? My experience have like with this fast have like taught me we just don't eat healthy. You know, like we just eat whatever. Like we just put like kind of whatever in our body, and it's just. But like price wise, it's pretty similar. Like it's not that of a huge difference in like eating healthy and not eating healthy, you know. But all the salad bars that we go to, it's like empty. And between my husband and I, we pay like $40, right, for drink, salad, or 2 salads, a drink. And I'm like, that's like fast food to like, that's how much you pay. Or unless if you go to McDonald's and you go on the like the dollar menu, like it's literally the same thing. So I'm just like, why are we, you know, eating so crazy? I know I'm not always eating the best either, but I'm gonna change that for one, which is part of like my weight gain situation. But I also have some health issues or whatever. But yeah, we just eat whatever. We just put whatever in our bodies, and it's just so crazy. Like how we do that, you know. And I'm saying we, not just because I do it too. Like, and I don't eat like super unhealthy, but I do eat stuff that I'm just like questionable. So going forward, we will just change stuff a bit, just a little bit. Not anything crazy, but we will. I'm just making sure I'm buffing this. I'm actually using this shade right here, and I'm just cleaning the edges. You know what's crazy? I'm using the same brush. I just clean it up. Now I'm gonna go back to the dark brown a bit and then just intensify this a little bit. Okay, so I use a brush if I can find it. I literally just had it in my hand. I just had it in my hands. A little bit of orangey. I just eat totally different, like, so that's my snack. Totally. Cause on the Daniel fast, it's pretty much veggies and fruits with no like processed foods or anything like that. Which I think it's our killer in this country. Like, we just eat whatever. Now I'm gonna go into this shade. Now put it there. Don't take care of the body. But I gotta change that. I'm just buffing this. Might go in with another shade. I'm gonna go in this shade right here and just kind of buff this up a little bit. And then back to that shade. I feel like this is just being a little... I'm taking a little bit of this shade and I'm just putting it just to the inner corner a little bit, just to brighten this out. Just to brighten it out a little bit. Okay, perfect. That's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So today we're gonna talk about Elia. I think that's how you say this. Let's give her a whirl. I'm gonna use this primer again. This is from Farah Beauty. I actually just got this in my BoxyCharm for January, so let's use it again. A little bit on the forehead, but focusing everything right here. Sometimes I put my primer on with a brush, but I feel like I prefer it when I do it with my fingers. And then look at this, one polish, one no. I don't know. Wasn't even really polishing. I was just testing out something. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna use my brush from my Flawless brush from Paint & Makeup by Yolondo. The shade that I'm using is SF 9.25 and it's Senja. I don't know this. We don't know. Oh yeah, this is a good match. Oh my god. I don't know how they say this is medium coverage, cause girl, what is it? A medium buildable coverage. I'm gonna use my one size concealer. I'm gonna use this. This is from ABH and it is just terracotta. It is the cream bronzer. And then I'm just make sure I go close to my hairline as possible. Now when it's cold, it makes my lip like super pink. But nope, this is not how usually pink it is. Just making sure I am nicely bronzed. don't care, even if it's winter, I'm still gonna bronze. I'm bronzing whenever it makes me happy, and I'm going heavy too. I don't have a lamp right here, but it's I don't know. I have this lamp from Simply Human. It's old. I've had it for, you know, quite a long time. But I feel like as soon as the warranty expired, like after a year, it stopped working properly. I did reach out to them and I was able to get it replaced. But even the replacements never really worked correctly, so I just kind of left it alone. And this lamp was like what, $300, but I make sure I did not buy another one. Like, girl, $300 and you're gonna stop working now. You know, I used to buy like the big like Keurig, and it started doing the same thing. Like literally every year, as soon as the warranty expired, it stopped working. So I bought the first one, it did that. I bought the second one, it did that. I threw it away, and I never bought another Keurig. I have a Cuisinart coffee maker, works great. Simply Human, I think. So I have my trash can from them. I have my dish drainer. Like I have quite a few things from them, but I feel like the stuff looks good. It has some good like features, and it looks good, but the durability sucks, which is a little bit frustrating because their stuff is pretty pricey, you know. Like I got a trash can from them that didn't really last either. Like it's just, I don't know. And my dish drainer, they also said like their stuff is rust proof. Not true, because it got rusty, and one of the thingies where you hang the glasses on the sides, that broke. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury powder in shade 1, which is almost done with this much. Let's go ahead and use my Givenchy powder. Got it in to set the rest of my face. Let's go in with Conifer from Huda Beauty, and this brush I get from the beauty supply store. This brush, that's another good brush. Like, see, that's my, you know, logo. And for bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is from House Labs, and this shade is Deep 10. I feel like I could have gone a little bit lighter, but I bought this bronzer in the summer when I was like a little bit darker. From House Labs also, we're gonna use this blush, and it is called Watermelon Bliss, and these are bright, like they are bright. And this is on M506 or M406, sorry. And I'm gonna use the Accelerate from Rare Beauty. Ooh, these are not to be played with. Like, they're so pigmented. Let us go with Fake Away from Tarte. I'm gonna put at my waterline. Then I'm gonna use this M508 from Morphe, and I'm just gonna buff under there with a little bit of brown. So I'm gonna go into this dark shade. free burgundy, or no, let's do the free burgundy from Makeup Forever. Oh, just in case you're interested, this is actually from Kendra Scott, and my earrings, Amazon. They're super cute. Oh, and these are from Express. I love them. Okay, so that's it for this video. I like how everything looks, you know, nice and simple, but you know, I'm not really gonna do much, so yeah. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.